Welcome! This video will show you how to book your ground transportation online for Senator Puerto Plata. Follow these steps and ensure a worry-free transfer. Step 1. Personal data entry. 1. Access the website and select your destination. Dominican Republic, Senator Puerto Plata. 2. Enter your membership number in the corresponding field. 3. Complete your personal information. 4. Once the data is entered, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Airport and transport selection. 1. Select your arrival airport carefully. You have 3 options. Please check your plane ticket and choose the correct airport. This will avoid any last-minute inconveniences. For Santiago de los Caballeros, select Aeropuerto Internacional del Cibao, STI. For Puerto Plata, select Aeropuerto Internacional Gregorio Luperón, POP. For Santo Domingo, select Aeropuerto Internacional Las Américas, SDQ. 2. Choose the type of transfer. Round trip, one way, from the airport to the hotel, or from the hotel to the airport. 3. Select the type of transport according to your needs. Private, up to 6 passengers. Private, up to 22 passengers. Luxury transport, up to 4 passengers. 4. The corresponding costs will be displayed based on the airport and type of transport selected. 5. Next, indicate the number of adult and child passengers using the transport. If you need a baby seat, check the corresponding box. Step 3. Flight information. 1. Enter your arrival flight details. 2. If you selected a round trip or a hotel-to-airport transfer, enter your departure flight information. Step 4. Payment and confirmation. 1. Review the information you entered, making sure the airport selection is correct and verifying the total cost. 2. Enter your credit card details to complete the payment. 3. Once you have confirmed all the information, click on Book. 4. You will receive a confirmation receipt in your email. Thank you for choosing Senator Puerto Plata, and we wish you an excellent trip.